Last time we spoke to you, we were talking about the Chronological and Life Application Study Bible. Chronological Life Application Study Bible. Now, it's a study Bible in the sense that it has maps in it. You've got the scripture on top. You have maps in it. And you have these little notes on the bottom, which all study Bibles have. Now, that's good. And this translation is very good. But what else it has in it that's very interesting is this. On the top line of the page, what you will see is what's chronological. Now, those are in a certain order. For example, if you look at the top of the page, you'll see beginnings, God's chosen family, birth of Israel, possessing the land, united monarchy, split nation, exile, return, and diaspora, Jesus Christ, and the church. There are the chronological things on the top of the page. So if you're looking, for example, at split nation, when you go to the top of the page, and if you're looking at that, you'll see all of the others are irregular, but that one in blue, dark green there, that's split nation. So that's the section of the Bible you're dealing with. Now, what's the split nation? Well, that's when Israel and Judah split from being a single nation into two separate nations. Now, when you come to that, what you will find is all of those things in here that deal with that particular era, what's happening, and who writes about it in the Bible and what they say. Now, this is very good in the sense that when you're in that section saying you're on a certain page, now I'm looking like Hezekiah seeks the Lord's help. And there are parallels. And then it shows Hezekiah seeking God's help, and that's in the second book of Kings, chapter 19, beginning with verse 1 to 19. Now, let me show you this. And you'll see. Right there above the map, you will see Hezekiah. And then you'll see that thing where it says parallels. And then underneath that, it will show the very left side of this with a little dot among the three parallels, a little dot on the left. That means the very beginning. So if we go through this part of Kings, we'll come to another thing. We're still going through Kings here, okay? And that's the same thing. But then if we keep going through Kings, we will come to a place where it changes that. Here we go. This is the second one in it. Parallels. The end of Hezekiah's reign, envoys to Babylon. 2 Kings 20 and so forth. And then what do we get to the book of Isaiah? There's your other one that you need. Isaiah's message of hope to the people of Israel, and so on. Now that's what it does. So Kings and Isaiah are both talking about the same events at the same time and making their parallel in the Bible so that you know exactly which books are talking about certain events in a certain time and what it has to do with, and this is the Old Testament, of course, what it has to do with the kingdom of Israel. And this is the divided nation. So you'll find all of these parallels, for example. Then the next one is Isaiah's message of hope to the people, the promise of Israel's release from captivity. It has all about that. And then it has all of the sections on Isaiah that deal with that, and so on. And then you have notes, the servant of Isaiah, notes about that particular person, and notes and so forth, and idolatry and so forth. So we're going through Isaiah, and we're going through Isaiah, and we're going through Isaiah, and we're going through Isaiah, because major idols mentioned in the Bible. Now, Isaiah is dealing with that, okay? And then you have also, not only that, but on the bottom of some pages, you have a lot of interesting objects from that period that are very important for what's going on. You see one there, and then over here you will see the idols that they were dealing with, and where you'll find them in the Bible in addition to where they are right here. So that's one thing that's unique about its parallelism. This Bible is an immense study. One could take forever with it, but it does two things: chronology and life application. This is one of the best Bibles you could have if you're interested in this type of subject. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll speak to you soon.